When you aim for perfection every day, you need to maintain and optimize your daily oral health care too. Using the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Amethyst Edition gives you a whiter smile and cleaner teeth within 1 week. Get the most out of your brushing routine with these tips. Start by putting a dab of toothpaste on your brush head, about the size of a pea. Then, choose one of the 5 modes: clean, white, polish, gum care, or sensitive, to customize your own personal brushing routine. Now start brushing gently. The Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Amethyst Edition removes up to 100% more stains and removes 7 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush. What's more, it improves gum health in only 2 weeks. Glide the brush head from tooth to tooth, then move the head towards the back. The angled neck is specially designed to reach those hard-to-reach areas. Replace the brush head every 3 months to get the best results. For a white, healthy smile, the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean is also available in black, white, and pink. Innovation and you, Philips Sonicare.